Walmart refund processing time depends on the type of purchase, the payment method used, and how the refund is handled after Walmart approves it. By the end, you'll know what happens after a Walmart refund is requested, what can delay the process, and what steps to take if your refund is taking longer than expected. The first step is understanding that a refund is not always completed instantly after a return or cancellation. Walmart may need to review the return, confirm the transaction, and send the refund back through the original payment method. For online purchases, check your Walmart account or the Walmart app for the latest order status. The order page can show whether the return or refund has been started, and whether any action is needed from you. The payment method can affect when you see the money appear. A refund sent back to a payment card follows the processing steps of that card provider, while other payment methods may have different handling processes. If you returned an item in a store, keep your receipt or return confirmation. These details help you verify that Walmart received and processed the return. Another factor is the reason for the refund. A simple return may move through the process differently than a problem involving a missing item, damaged product, canceled order, or payment issue. If your refund appears delayed, start by checking your Walmart order history. Confirm that the return was accepted, and that the refund status has been updated. If the status shows that Walmart has already issued the refund, but you do not see the money, contact your payment provider and Walmart support with your order details. Provide the order number, return information, and payment method used. Avoid submitting multiple refund requests for the same order, because it can make it harder to track the original request. Use the existing order information when asking for an update. The main points are simple. First, Walmart refunds go through several steps before the money reaches your account. Second, the payment method and return details can affect how the process moves. Third, checking your order status and keeping your confirmation details makes it easier to fix delays. Your next step is to open your Walmart account, check the refund status, and gather your order details if you need support. If this guide helped you understand Walmart refund processing, like the video and subscribe for more practical Walmart guides.